Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Fatima. Today we're going to talk about the present continuous tense. Let's get started. Is Sarah at home? She's not at home. She is walking to school. This is an example of the present continuous tense. She is walking to school. We use the present continuous tense to talk about an action in the present that continues to happen. So we use the subject, for example, she, he, I, you, we, they, the dog, Jacob, etc. And we add to be, either am, is, or are. We add the verb, and then at the end of the verb, we add ing. Let's see what that looks like. So if I wanted to make a sentence with he and the verb drink water, how would I make that in the present continuous tense? I would say he is drinking water. I added ing to drink to make it continuous, drinking. Let's try another one. If I wanted to make a present continuous sentence with they and sit in chairs, how would I say it? I would say they are sitting in chairs. Notice in sitting, I had to add an extra T before the ing. Some verbs require this. They are sitting in chairs. This is important. A common mistake that new English users make is to use the present continuous for stative verbs. The present continuous is only for action verbs. Stative verbs are verbs like, dislike, hate, love, have, own. If this is something that's confusing for you, I can make another video about action versus stative verbs. Let me show you how you should not make the sentences. For example, we are eating dinner. That is correct. Eating is an action. We are liking dinner is incorrect. If we wanted to say this sentence correctly, we would say, we like dinner. You cannot be liking something. So make sure you don't make this mistake with the present continuous. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time. Shukran. Bye.